So, nung nabaril yung a certain Kalumba? Kalumba ba yon?
Eugene Kalumba, Mr. Chair.
Oh, nung nabaril yung Kalumba, anong assignment niya?
Siya po ay Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Sa'yo?
Under sa akin, pero
Under sa'yo?
may... Siya po,
Sandali, tinatanong kita, under sa'yo? Yes or no?
siya po ay assigned sa Unit 2, Mr. Chair, pero operationally under control po siya ng...
Dahan-dahan lang po, hindi ko maintindihan. Ano, please?
Si Eugene Kalumba, Mr. Chair, ay assigned sa Police Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Under sa'yo?
Yes, Mr. Chair, pero siya po ay operationally controlled by Ma'am Garma, Mr. Chair, that time.
Under sa'yo, pero operationally controlled by Colonel Garma?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Wala. Mr. Chairman, wala na si Colonel Garma? Chairman? Wala na si Colonel Garma. So, that was 2018 also?
Opo, Mr.
O
Chair.
kanina tinatanong kita, ba't hindi mo matandaan kung kailan siya na-assign at saka namatay?
Yung exact date po ang hindi ko matandaan, Mr. Chair.
Huwag kang mag-abogado dito.
Sorry po, Mr. Chair.
Nung tinanong kita kanina, sabi mo, hindi mo na matandaan.
I'm referring po sa exact date po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ko naman tinanong yung exact date eh. Well, in fact, kung hindi kita tinanong kung saan siya nakasign, hindi mo sinabi na under your station 1. Yung Bulandres.
During the time, Mr. Chair, nung nangyari po yun kay Eugene,
Sandali, tapusin mo na. After nung Kalamba, saan siya na-assign?
sa Cebu City rin po, Mr. Chair, Police Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Station 1 din, sa'yo din, di ba?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
From Kalamba, binitbit mo pabalik sa Cebu.
Nung nullified po yung order namin, Mr. Chair.
Kaya nga,
Opo, Mr.
bitbit mo. O tapos,
Tapos nag-courtesy call po kami kay Ma'am Garma.
hindi ko tinatanong yung courtesy call. Ang tinatanong ko yung assignment ng Bulandres. So namatay yung Kalamba under your watch sa station mo. Tapos anong nangyari kay Bulandres?
Na-relieve na rin po siya, Mr. Chair.
Why?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair, na...
Station 1 commander ka, hindi mo alam na nirelieve siya? You're lying.
Hindi ko po maalala, Mr. Chair, kung bakit siya
Nako,
na-relieve.
huwag tayo maglokohan dito ha. Bata mo yung dalawa, bit-bit mo pa Kalamba, at then bumalik ka sa Cebu, tapos mo hindi mo alam. Why they were relieved?
Ang alam ko po, Mr. Chair, na-assign, bumalik po siya sa Negros, Mr. Chair.
Ang tanong nga, bakit siya nirelieve?
I have no idea, Mr.
Saan siya
Chair.
inassign? Sa Negros Oriental?
No idea po, Mr. Chair. Kung...
Mr. Chairman, itong si Albutra, kanina pa to eh. Napakasinungaling to, kung hindi mo makorner, hindi sasagot ng tama. Ngayon, bata mo yung dalawa, tapos hindi mo alam. Yung investigation with regards to the death of Kalumba, ba't siya pinatay? Hindi mo rin alam.
Mr. Chair, during that time po, siya po ay...
Hindi, tanong ko, anong motive?
Ang kwento po nun, Mr. Chair,
Anong motive? Pulis ka, hindi mo alam? Bata mo, hindi mo alam? Hindi mo man chinek kung anong motive?
I have no direct idea talaga, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, now I move to cite in contempt Captain Albutra for lying in this committee in violation of Section 11, Paragraph C of our rules. So move, Mr. Chairman. Second
There is a motion to cite in contempt Major Albotra for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And it was duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Comsec, please take note that Major Albotra is now cited in contempt by the Quad Committee.